Welcome to building a drag car with only $20,000. Part 1. Alright, so throughout this series, we are going to be picking a random car and upgrading it, turning it into a drag car, and only spending $20,000. So, for this part, if the car is over $50,000, I'm gonna choose a different car. So I'm gonna close my eyes and randomly buy a car, but it has to be under $50,000. So I'm gonna just randomly let's move around here, anywhere, back and forth. All right, I'm gonna open my eyes. All right, it's $180,000. I can't get that one. I gotta close my eyes and pick another one. All right, let's see. I'm gonna keep going. Now. Oh, also 150,000. Pick another one. All right. Oh, wait. All right, pick another one. Back one. Down. All right, this one. All right, let's do it. It's 20,000. Oh, I have to pay real money for it. No thanks. Pick another one. Pick this one. Nope. Go back. Pick this one. Also have to pay real money for it. No. Nope. Oh, no, it's also. Come on. Alright, let's keep going. This might take forever. Okay, this one. So, it's $45,000. I can afford it. We're gonna turn this thing to a drag car. A drag truck. Drag truck. Alright, I'm going with green. Forza green. Alright, now let's just go to the upgrades. Alright, so you can see how much I spent on the bottom left corner. It says credits, and then I can't go over $20,000. So I'm gonna try this. So I'm at $1,800. Buy this. Honestly, I'm just getting the stuff that gives you the most horsepower. This gives you 20. That's pretty good. This really gives you a lot. 53. And displacement is 23. Okay. These give you a lot. I can't afford drag cars because they're $10,000. But I could just, I don't think I need drag cars. I think it's already got pretty good launch. So let's just do some more. Like okay, 19,300. So I can still spend $700 more. Alright, let's just keep it at that. And let's see how fast I can drag race. So I've already got like 200 more horsepower. A little lighter. So we're gonna go to the drag track. Okay. So, it's nighttime, right? No, it's not. Okay. Let's do this. Alright. Come on, let's get first. In order to finish the video, I need to get first. So, it's not too slow. Come on. Alright, I don't think they're even close to me. Oh wait, this one's even cut. Alright, so I got 24.2. So let's just see if we can do some tuning. I actually had this car for sale. Now I have sold it for $277,000. So let's put the money. All right, now back to the drag car. Let's see what tuning we can do. So from 0 to 60 miles in 0.77 kilometers, it takes off and it gets there about 5 seconds. That's not even too bad. I just have to upgrade it a little bit more. But I have no money to spend, so I'm gonna do something. Alright, so I still had $700 more to spend. And it seems like nothing is $700. There's nothing that's $700. They're all like 1,000 or something. The only thing I can think of is like how much is the turbo? We'll put the tire pressure higher up. Let's see what that does. Alright, so it didn't do much. Camber, winning that. Alright, so for part 2, or all the videos that come after this in the series, I'm gonna try to beat this time. And I'm gonna try to beat that with a different car next time, a random car that I pick next time. The only way I can think of getting going faster is with manual transmission, in other words, through manual. Look at this fast. Yeah. What's the time? 24.3. I think that's better. Like the video. Thanks for watching. See you in part 2.